Board reporting is one of the most important parts of FP&A. In Drivetrain, your reports are already presentation ready. You can push them full screen, walk your board through performance interactively, and even drill into the underlying data. Many CFOs run their board meetings this way, but we also know board decks are often more than just data and numbers. They include agendas, cover slides, bird's-eye summaries, product roadmaps, and other context beyond Drivetrain. In those cases, you can bring any chart or table from your Drivetrain reports into your board deck via Google Sheets or Slides and keep it synced in real time so the data always stays current. Your deck stays live and accurate with just one click. Here's how it works in under 2 minutes. From any Drivetrain report, you can sync a table straight into Google Sheets, whether it's your P&L, an ARR waterfall, or a detailed customer forecast. Once it's linked, refreshing the numbers is just one click. The data flows directly from Drivetrain, and the connection stays live in the background. When you resync, only the numbers update. Your formatting stays locked in. That means your tables always stay styled exactly how you want, while the data keeps updating in real time. From here, Google's native integration links Sheets with Slides. Paste the sync table into your deck, and the moment something changes in Drivetrain, Slides prompts you to refresh the synced table. For example, if new customer count jumps to around 6,000 spread over the final quarter of 2024, forecasted from a holiday spending spike, that update flows straight into Sheets. Slides then prompts you to update the linked table. One click and your board deck is accurate again, no copy-paste needed. This also makes deck iterations fast. Duplicate your Q3 board deck, rename it Q4, and keep the Q3 numbers frozen. The new Q4 version stays linked to live Drivetrain data, so every update flows through automatically. If you want to archive or lock down a past deck, you can unlink it at any point. Alternatively, if you prefer to use a static snapshot, just use Copy Chart to Clipboard and paste it directly into your board deck. What used to take hours now takes minutes. With Drivetrain board reporting, you get one-click updates, full formatting control, and lightning-fast deck iterations. Your board materials stay synced, accurate, and styled exactly the way you need. That's board reporting that's fast, flexible, and flawless, all in under 2 minutes. Powerful yet simple.